Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's quick tutorial, we'll show you how to unfollow someone on Snapchat using simple, easy-to-follow steps. Whether it's a celebrity or someone on your friend list, this guide covers it all. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the Snapchat app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where the person you want to unfollow is added. Step 2. If you've decided to unfollow a popular account or someone you're not close to, go to the search bar at the top of the home screen. Type in the profile name you're looking for and tap to open their profile. Step 3. Once you're on their profile, locate the Added button. This shows that you've added them as a friend. Tap on this button and Snapchat will give you an option to yes or confirm the connection. Just tap to confirm your action. Step 4. If you want to unfollow someone already on your friends list, go back to the main screen and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Once inside, scroll down to find the Friends section and tap on it. Step 5. In the Friends section, scroll through your list or use the search bar to find the person you want to unfollow. Once you locate them, tap and hold their name until a pop-up menu appears, then choose the Manage Friendship option. Step 6. Now, from the menu that appears, tap on Remove Friend. Snapchat will ask you to confirm this action. Tap Confirm, and just like that, you've unfollowed the person. After this, you won't see any of their updates or stories on your feed anymore. And that's it. You've now learned how to unfollow someone on Snapchat, whether it's a celebrity account or a friend. The steps are simple, and you can always re-add them later if you change your mind. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.